seen him, what an eerie sight. I looked at him and he looked at me. The strange man swam up from the sea. He said, "Sir, may I have a light?" I replied to him, I said, "Please be more precise. I'll have you all understand. I didn't like the beach and I didn't like the men. My good friend, I need to light my cigarette." What a strange thing to say to a man he'd never met. He lit his smoke and then swam right off. Something so wrong now, something felt odd. The water felt warm, like the man I met was following me. A wolf of silver was dancing humanly. I don't know what that was all about, but suddenly my cigarette light went out. But I'm not getting out of here, and it's gonna be a long year. And I was born from the sinner who could get me out of here. And dare I say that this is where my story turns. The wolves of silver sand on the wind in my eyes, and I just took it on. More right and less, just put it on. More right, it's not the same. Now she was young